Hello, and thank you for joining me. As we step into 2025, the market appears to be catching its breath after a few dizzying years. Inflation's cooling, the Fed's cut rates by a full percentage point, and the economy is holding up like an overachieving middle child. Today, I'm going to share some opportunities where we see challenges, and most importantly, how we're positioning portfolios to keep moving forward without the drama. Let's take a minute to look back at 2024. Against all odds and most analysts' predictions, the S&P 500 soared 25% to close the year at 5,881. For context, most experts predicted that it would peak around 4,800. But this rally wasn't just about tech stocks stealing the show. Sectors like communications, financials, consumer staples, and industrials all posted double-digit gains. On the bond side, we saw brief optimism early in the year, though it fizzled out before New Year's Eve. The Fed also surprised some. Rates ended the year at 4.25% to 4.5%, lower than their 2023 peaks, but still higher than major investors originally expected. Meanwhile, the US economy stayed rock solid, with low unemployment, labor market that finally seemed to have found its happy place. So what's on the horizon for 2025? Here are the key themes shaping our strategy. 1. Rate cuts and resilience. Central banks are shifting gears, lowering rates to support growth. In the US, the Fed's nudging rates closer to historical norms, which creates opportunities, but also risks. If tariffs, trade tensions flare up, it could complicate things. Here's our plan. We're keeping exposure to tariff-sensitive sectors in check and staying disciplined with risk management. Think of it like wearing a seatbelt. It won't stop the bumps, but it will keep us steadier through the ride. 2. Inflation and productivity. Inflation isn't just about rates anymore. It's about productivity gains. Technologies like AI and automation are helping companies expand margins and improve efficiencies, even with rising wages. At Paragon-Wealth, we're leaning into sectors that are driving this transformation. Beyond the obvious tech plays, we're focusing on industrials and healthcare, industries poised to benefit from these tailwinds. 3. Broadening equity markets. Diversification looks like the star of 2025. After years of mega cap dominance, smaller companies and international markets are ready for their close-up. Our strategy? We're zooming in on high-quality small and mid-cap stocks, as well as dividend-paying opportunities in Europe and parts of Asia. Smaller companies, especially overseas, offer a unique edge. They're agile, innovative, and unlike their US peers, they don't have a robust private capital market, keeping smaller companies private longer. It's like finding a hidden gem in a market crowded with shiny objects. 4. Geopolitical risks. From US-China trade tensions to reshoring supply chains, geopolitical dynamics remain the wild card. While markets have historically weathered these storms, we'll stay vigilant, ready to pivot allocations as needed to help work towards your goals. In closing, 2025 is shaping up to be a year of transition. One full of opportunities, but not without its share of challenges. Tailwinds like strong consumer spending and productivity gains should keep the economy moving forward. At the same time, hurdles like tariffs and fiscal policy risks will require careful navigation. At Paragon-Wealth, our focus remains on keeping your portfolios resilient and aligned with your long-term goals. By staying disciplined, diversified, proactive, we're confident we can guide you through this transitional period with purpose and poise, preferably without breaking a sweat. Thank you for trusting us to steer your financial journey. Let's make 2025 another great year.